I started the GenStone project because I wanted a focal point for the living room and something dramatic as you came in my front door. Ordered the Arctic Smoke panels because they blended well with my floor and walls and general decor of the house. It was important when I was installing this to make sure that the base panels were level and that helped the level off the entire job. The project took all the way, took the stonework up to the top of the ceiling, which was beveled, which was vaulted, and each side of this particular project, the corners were beveled, requiring a circular saw.